Is brandishing a felony or misdemeanor? Have you ever wondered about the legal consequences of brandishing a firearm? This topic is especially relevant in discussions about Second Amendment rights and self-defense. Let's break down what brandishing means and how it is treated under the law. Brandishing refers to the act of displaying or drawing a weapon in a way that threatens or intimidates another person. The legal classification of this act can vary significantly based on where you live. In many states, brandishing is considered a misdemeanor. This means that if someone is charged with brandishing, they might face penalties like fines, probation, or even jail time of up to 1 year. For instance, in some jurisdictions, brandishing could be classified as a Class B misdemeanor, which might involve up to 180 days in jail and fines. However, the situation can change if the brandishing is linked to more serious actions. In certain states, brandishing can be charged as a felony. This typically happens if the act is associated with assault or if the person has a prior criminal history. Felony charges carry much harsher penalties, which can include longer prison sentences and significant fines. Some states have what is known as a Wobbler offense. This means that prosecutors can choose to charge brandishing as either a misdemeanor or a felony, depending on the specifics of the case. California is an example of a state where this flexibility exists. From a conservative viewpoint, it is essential to understand that, while the Second Amendment protects the right to bear arms, it also comes with responsibilities. Gun owners need to know when it is legally acceptable to display a firearm. For example, showing a weapon in a clear self-defense situation may be justified. However, displaying it to intimidate someone crosses the line into unlawful brandishing. Practical advice for gun owners is to avoid displaying a firearm unless absolutely necessary for self-defense. It is also wise to familiarize yourself with your state's specific brandishing laws. Knowing the difference between a lawful defensive display and unlawful brandishing is vital for protecting both your rights and public safety. In summary, brandishing can be either a misdemeanor or felony, depending on state laws and circumstances. Understanding these distinctions is key for responsible gun ownership and exercising Second Amendment rights.